light, a turtle for Crew 3.
Good old
There's
Bob,
Caleb Aaron, yeah. And then a turtle and a chimp for Crew 4. For the last mission, though, on Crew 5, they unveiled the first humanoid, the Albert Einstein Little Thinker plush doll. And so that begs the question, what is Crew 6's zero-G? We'll find out later. But you had the turtle, and there's a special reason for that.
It is, yeah. So our class of 2017, we're
From the human perspective, the vastness of space can be hard to comprehend. A simple look at the stars can trigger a storm of questions. How big is space? How far are the stars? Are we alone out there? With its infinite beauty, space also holds an infinite amount of information. We've compiled a list of space facts that you may not know. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This amazing effect is called cold welding. Since there's no air or water separating the pieces, the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing that they are different pieces of metal. The effect has a lot of implications for spacecraft construction and the future of metal-based construction in vacuums. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. That one small step for man will be around for a very, very long time. The original footprints from the Apollo mission in 1969 are still visible on the moon. Since there's no wind or water on the moon to cause erosion, the Apollo astronauts' tracks will stay preserved for at least 100 million years. Erosion on the moon does take place, just on a much slower scale. The moon's surface is constantly bombarded with micrometeorites, which over time change the look of the surface. 99% of our solar system's mass is the sun. Our sun is truly the star of the solar system. The sun's density accounts for 99% of the mass of our entire solar system. As a result, the sun's gravitational pull dominates all the planets. Our sun is a G-type main sequence star, meaning that every second it fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen to helium. Consequently, it converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. If you lived on Venus, you would have a lot of time to kill during the day. Venus's extremely slow axis rotation takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full cycle. Oddly enough, it takes Venus less days than Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun, 226 to be exact. There are an uncountable number of stars in the known universe. No one knows how many stars are in the universe. Even NASA's best guess is just that, a guess. Our best attempt comes from estimating how many stars are in the Milky Way and multiplying that number by a guesstimation of galaxies in the universe. The result is a number too big to comprehend. An Australian university study put out an estimate of 70 sextillion, which is 70,000 million.
Sveiki sugrįžę į ultraetikos pasaulį. Naujas pasaulis yra ultraetika. Ultraetika išgelbėjo pasaulį. Ultraetika išgelbėjo pasaulį.